What's up, superstars? On this video, we're gonna show you how easy it is to capture your dog and put it on a t-shirt. You've seen Matt record a short video showing you guys the step-by-step. We're gonna go into detail and show you guys exactly how to get this done. So let me introduce my dog, Bear. He was in that short video. We're gonna go ahead and use him as an example today. Good boy, Bear. Let's go ahead and give you a quick treat. Let's get him set up. I'm going to be using my iPhone 14. Make sure that your video is off of the live mode in case if you want to get this done, because I'll show you how to make it transparent. We're just going to borrow this sombrero hat. Here, Bear, stay here. Wait. Oh, Bear, this way. Let me try that again. Sit down. Okay, wait. You guys are right here. I might have caught it. There you go. So that is the image we're going to be using today. What I can easily do here is on your phone, you're just going to go ahead and tap this, and then you're going to go ahead and share this. I'm going to go ahead and save the image. Now it's saved into my images, and this is the transparent version. So with this transparent version, what I'm going to do is let's head over to our website, transfersuperstars.com. I'm going to go ahead and click on the DTF Gangsheet Builder. Let's go ahead and choose our Gangsheet Builder. I'm going to choose the smallest size, which is the 22 by 12, only $10. Let's go ahead and do a quick auto build. I'm going to upload my image. There you go. I chose the transparent version of that. All right, so I'm going to select that image. It's currently at 8 by 11. I wanted this actually at only 11 inches in height, so each one becomes, let's say, 9 inches. So I'm going to go ahead and add 3 of these images on here. Let's go ahead and apply it. I don't want him that big here, so that's the gang sheet. That's the image on there. I can adjust it. I can print more if I need to, but this gets you 3 prints on the 22 by 12 gang sheet. Go ahead and save, check out. The order will come to us. We're gonna go ahead and get this printed. I'm gonna go ahead and press this on a shirt, and I'll show you guys how it's gonna look just from the phone. And there you have it, guys. This is your transfers. This is a 22 by 12. This is our minimum gang sheet size. Now keep in mind, I did all this on the phone. I did it within 15 minutes. It was really quick. I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to get this done. Now there is a couple things that you wanna pay attention to this. So we did use the iPhone feature to remove the background. It is really quick, literally the touch of a finger, but there is limitations. It doesn't do the cleanest of jobs when you're cleaning up the edges, and let me go ahead and show you guys that. So of course, when you're printing out transfers, you do want solid edges so that the transfer contracts perfectly and you don't see a white outline around your prints. Now this particular artwork is fine because we are pressing this on a white t-shirt, and it really doesn't matter if the white outlines are there. I just wanted to show you guys how easy it is to get done. But if you were to properly get this done, you would literally have to trace out the dog and to make sure that the edges are all fine and sharp. That's of course if you guys are putting it on a dark garment. But again, light color garment like that, you're not gonna really have to worry about the gradient edges. Now briefly, let's talk about the size. So guys, I am putting this on a small Bella 3001. So I went ahead and put 3 on our smallest sheet. They're actually sized at 6.5 inches wide by about 9 inches in height. So if you wanted to size this up for an adult t-shirt, I would probably fit 2 of these on here, possibly at about 10 inches wide. And however the height becomes, that's probably what you would choose. But in this case, we're just doing small t-shirts, and we're able to knock out 3 of them on our minimum gang sheet size. So let's get going on the heat pressing. All right, let's go ahead and break down the transfer. Just gonna grab some scissors. Again, everything is already powdered, ready to go. All you need is a heat press and your garment, and you're ready to press. Now, as far as apparel, we're going small here. We're gonna use a small size Bella Canvas 3001. This is 100% cotton. So let's go ahead and get this threaded on the heat press. This is our Prisma 16 by 20. Very easy to thread since it's such a big press. Now everything is nice and even. Gonna go ahead and slide it in. Let's go ahead and do a quick pre-press. About 3-4 seconds is good. We'll get it released. Make sure that all the moisture is gone. And here's the transfer. We're gonna go ahead and do a quick fold. Usually where the end of the design is. Just give it a quick crease. This helps me get a center point. So we're gonna go ahead and use my finger, and then we're going to get to that point, and that looks about straight to me. All right, let's go ahead and press. We're gonna do 300 degrees, 7 seconds. This one automatically opens. So I'm gonna go ahead and use a microfiber cloth. I like to give it a quick rub. This ensures that it's on there, helps it cool down a little bit quicker. And then I can go ahead and pull back. I'm gonna use one finger down, one holding the transfer, peel it. We're gonna flip the same sheet over, push it back in there. Let's go for another 7-second press. All right, let's take a look at the design. All right, Bear, come here. Come here. Come here, Bear. Come here. Come here. Sit down. All right. So what do you guys think? Does that look like him? That was done pretty easily. 15 minutes is all I took. Super easy to get your design, dog, car, anything that you want with a simple iPhone. So let me know if you guys have any questions. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you guys learned something. My name is Phil. I'll catch you guys on the next one.